Today's feature is on the latest pod race release. We have 4 castings here. I will also feature the latest Eva Pandem S13, which is the APA Expo Fosun exclusive, in a separate video. These awesome castings are available at Let's Play Singapore. I will pin the link of the shop in my comment section. First in the line is the Pandem Civic EG6, which is the open hood. Can't believe this is a 1/64 scale casting. The details are impeccable. Very nice. One of the highlights is also the interior, which is very detailed. I think pod race really raises the bar for the 1/64. Not just looking nice, the whole casting rose extremely well with very realistic wheel sets. Very functional and detailed piece, which is a true collector item. This EG6 will look very nice in diecast photography, content, and also in your display case. This Civic also comes with a roll cage with ultra realistic front and rear lights. Coming up next is the top secret Supra, which is a collector's favorite. Very delighted that this Supra was launched as a regular release instead of an event exclusive. The top secret has been trending recently among collectors. One of the must-have in the collection for top secret, alongside with Liberty Walk. And what I really like is the body color, which is a trademark of top secret. It's very nice. All gold wheel set that rose extremely well. Carbon fiber details in 1/64 on the wing and also on the hood. Just take a look at the incredible crafting on the hood, equally presentable and functional parts. Not to mention the incredible details on the engine compartment, although the hood needs some effort to open, but it's totally worth it. Next is the modified 992 Stingo GTR in full carbon. I have a couple of castings which are full carbon as well, and I'm glad this is one of them. Very nicely executed with the carbon fiber relivery that is wrapped on the whole casting. Meticulous workmanship with very consistent wrap. The headlight looks ultra realistic. Elastic side mirror, and needless to say, the wheel set rose extremely well. The 992 has an opening compartment which needs effort to open it. Can't really tell that it's open due to the wrap and also of the scale, but it's totally functional. You can see the details as well. And lastly, the Pandem GR86, which is also one of my very favorite. First impression, the GR86 looks really fierce. Consistent car body design with a gold rim and highly functional wheel set that rose extremely well. I wish the side mirror is in plastic instead of being elastic. Highly detailed rear with very distinctive Toyota badge. Decent interior, and it's interesting to know it's a left-hand drive casting. And now here's the very impressive parts. Unlike the other 2 castings, the hood is very easy to remove because it's magnetic. Magnetic is a very innovative method in the 1/64 scale world. Awesome release by pod race, very impressive. It scores in terms of functional and aesthetic. Let me know which is your favorite casting, and more pod race content coming up. Remember to smash the like button.